Vacheron Constantin have cemented their position in the Holy Trinity as the kings of the understated, as even their most complicated, precious metal-clad watches tend to be kind of restrained. That being the case, I wonder what prompted them to take their most conservative collection, which is the mid-century modern-inspired Patrimony, and bling out its 37mm case with nearly 6 carats of diamonds. Befittingly named the Patrimony self-winding jewellery, this Vacheron Constantin flipped my expectations upside down. While it's not quite in the realm of watches that are more akin to bejeweled cuffs, it does certainly stand out, to put it mildly. Dressy gem-set watches are nothing new, especially in smaller sizes, but there are few so concerned with classicism as the Patrimony that also sport a snow-set diamond dial. Rather than something like a pavé setting, where all the diamonds are the same diameter, snow setting involves round-cut diamonds of different sizes, covering the dial in a completely random pattern. Apart from the gem setting, the rest of the dial is classic Patrimony, with tooth-like indices at the cardinal points, complemented by stick ones elsewhere. Elegant furry hands are tasked with time-telling, though considering the ultra-shiny diamonds and the polished surfaces of the white gold dial elements, legibility clearly wasn't the main consideration here, and honestly, to people that buy this watch, I'm guessing it won't be a primary concern either, considering they're likely to have a personal time-teller. As I've alluded to previously, the Patrimony jewellery isn't a large watch, measuring in at just 37mm in diameter and 9.25mm tall. In my book, that's pretty much spot on for a modern dress watch, if a tad thick. But if you're concerned at all about its smaller than average size, don't be. The 18-carat white gold case and 331 round-cut diamonds more than make up for it. And if that wasn't enough, there's also a big round-cut diamond set into the crown. The most toned-down aspect of this Patrimony is the square-scale alligator leather strap. It's lined with a beige calfskin and doesn't feature regular spring bars, instead opting for a proprietary quick exchange system. This is great to see, as it'll reduce the likelihood of scratching the lugs. To top it all off, it's fitted with a half Maltese cross pin buckle that's naturally bedecked with more round-cut diamonds. Considering the model name, it'll come as no surprise to find the golden oscillating rotor of the caliber 2460 SE3 peering through the Sapphire caseback. Though the 40-hour power reserve isn't the most impressive these days, this movement stands out with its looks, some highlights being the Côte de Genève adorned bridges and their hand-finished bevels. Like some other fine Swiss movements, the 2460 SC3 is certified with a Pension de Genève, which is awarded for excellent finishing of movements made in the canton of Geneva. Look, I won't lie, this is not a piece I'd ever get for myself. I do love the Patrimony, and I don't mind the occasional bit of bling, but the snow-set dial is just a bit too flashy. That being said, I'm absolutely not opposed to the existence of such a watch in the Patrimony collection. In fact, I think it makes perfect sense. Considering that Vacheron Constantin have surely satisfied the proper stiff upper lip collector with their other models, why not have something so outlandish? They're not skimping on the tech either, and I actually think the 2460 SE3 looks better in the smaller case compared to the 40mm Patrimonies. Considering the price tag and unique proposition, the Patrimony self-winding jewellery was never meant to attract a wide audience. But for the select few, I'm sure it'll be perfect. Could you see yourself rocking something like this? Let us know in the comments below. The Vacheron Constantin Patrimony self-winding jewellery is available now, priced at 137,000 Australian dollars or 82,000 US dollars. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to see more like this one.